Hi, in this video I want to focus a little bit more on trace capabilities. So I already have a signal up. It's the LTE downlink band from AT&T in the United States at 739 megahertz. It's 10 megahertz wide. I have a 12 megahertz span here. And I have the trace menu up and I have four traces. Trace 1 is an average trace, the yellow trace. And again, I can make that any color I want. Trace 2 is the max hold trace, and it's the reddish colored, and I can make it even redder if I want. And then trace 3 is min hold, and showing the minimum levels that we're seeing. And right now trace 4 I have blanked out, but I just turned it back on by clicking on it, and I have it writing now, and you can see it bouncing back and forth between the max hold and the min hold, so you can see that the average is averaging out. And again, I can blank this out if it gets in the way of figuring out what's going on in the signal. It's very helpful in interference monitoring to min hold to see if there's a signal hiding under a signal. If there was a signal hiding underneath the signal, there might be a peak signal somewhere here that didn't get depressed because the LTE signal, the min hold, should look like this. If there was an interferer here, there might be a signal that's poking up above the noise floor of the LTE signal. So that's a quick look at how to use trace. Hope you find it useful and user friendly, and thank you again for your time and attention.